Hello mga ka-spreadsheet! Now we're back to our channel. Another video for our channel. So, welcome to Master Excel in 54321. I will help you be more productive by 10,000%. So, why Excel? Excel is just a word alone that inspires visions of lengthy spreadsheets, complicated macros, and other pivot tables and graphs and charting and whatever. It's true there are a lot of users around the world globally, especially in the coming generations. Our newly graduates will use this in whatever profession they are, whether they are an accountant, an engineer, a teacher, doctor, a nurse. You will have to use Excel in your working days. So, but if you think Excel is only good for making numbers, such as financial reports, you are wrong. There's no way for us to compile all of these. However, we can demonstrate to you. How we can demonstrate to you the power and the flexibility of Excel. We can use it on our daily lives. We can use it professionally, personally, and just for fun. So now, I all welcome you. I am Jo Marie Reyes. I am an accountant by profession, a financial advisor of Sun Life, and a property specialist of Lancaster. I will help you be more uh, master in Excel in easy way. So, for this video, we will talk about the 21 things you can make using Excel. So, as the word is spread around our title, you'll be the one to see it one by one. So, what is the first and foremost in our list? Number one is, yeah, can you guess what it is for? It is for calculating. Excel is basically for calculations, but not only for simple calculations, but broad or large number of data. You can analyze large amount of data using Excel in just one click. So you can do operations such as addition, subtraction, multiply, and division. Using the formula, you can add 100 columns, 200 columns, and then you'll have your results. Next, Next purpose of Excel is it is used in what? Accounting. Accounting usually involves budget plans, forecasts, expense tracking, financial reports, loan calculators, and more. It is pretty much designed for us in the business people. So majority of its functions is utilized by the business profession. So this is a sample annual financial report. We use it there. So next is what? Our third is charting. Name it, we have it. Pie charts, scatter charts, line charts, bar charts, area charts, column charts, and everything. Before it was only teach to us in elementary days, but now we can do it using Excel. We can analyze large amount of data using charting, more or less to transform it to a more represented data. Next is, yes, for the inventory people, Excel is very important for them to be able to handle it without a headache. Excel can help employees, business owners, or even individuals organize on top of their inventories before they lose out of stock. Next, our next is more on based on making a plans. You can use Excel making plans such as one, calendars, and schedules. So in making this, if whenever you have a content calendar for your blog, your website, lesson plan for your classroom, a schedule for your workers, a daily schedule for you and your family, you can use it. You can use Excel for your daily schedule. Next is that you have seating arrangements. When you are a corporate when you have a large corporate luncheon, weddings, arranging seating arrangement are very essential. So Using Excel, you can make it a breeze, like this. Next. Next is goal planning and worksheet. So for this one, from professional goals to fitness goals to financial goals, it helps you to have something to keep you focused and on track. Enter this and you can create various worksheet logs, planning documents to help you monitor your progress. Hopefully you finish the line. Next is mocks and prototypes. So if uh, you can use it together to various mockups and prototypes. In fact, it is a surprisingly popular choice of creating website, wireframes, and dashboards. So next is your getting stuff done. We have your task list. As a sample, this one. Say goodbye to your standard pen and paper to-do list. Say goodbye to your planner. You can do your task list on your Excel. Next, what is this one? This is the most popular one. Whenever you go to the grocery, you need to have one. So this is what you call our checklist. So for your checklist, it allows you to think of the things you have purchased or accomplished. You know the things you missed, so you can do it again or buy it again in some other stores or what. So that's the checklist. So for project management charts, it is important to manage the progress of your workers or employees. So yeah, you can identify the backlogs, to-dos, in progress, test, verify the things done. So with the help of this, you can easily identify those. Next is time logs. Time logs is, the tracking time can be a huge asset to you in your productivity. While there are plenty of fancy apps, tools to help meet the need, you can think of an Excel as original tool for logging your time. So for companies using manual time ins, you can use Excel for your time logs in this format. Or you can use other format. You can download in the internet. Next is it involves other people. We have With the use of Excel, we can do forms. For example, for this one, it is a form for reimbursable of your employees. Whatever is reimbursable to them, you can ask them to fill up this one and be reimbursed. At the same time, you can use forms for your surveys, for your financial planning, PCs, feasibility, as such. Next, for teachers, you can use Excel for your quizzes. Trying to test somebody else, or even you want to try to test yourself, knowledge of a subject. In Excel, you can create a bank of questions and answers in one worksheet and then instruct it to ask it to you. Di ba parang baliw lang? Next is CRM. Managing relationship is crucial to your success before professional and personal. Fortunately, Excel can make you to keep in touch with them. So need a lightweight CRM to stay top of mind for your customer. You can make one Excel, and the best part, build your own means it will be totally customizable. Whatever the data that you need, whether the name, the company, the work, the phone, or other data that you need, you can indicate and add along the line. Next, you can use Excel in what? In your mailing list. For the mailing list for such a salesperson like me, I am a financial advisor under Sun Life. And also a property specialist under Lancaster, Vista Land, and Urban Deca Homes. I do have clients, prospects. I do list them down so that I can easily identify who I've had talked to and for my possible future communications. Yeah. Next, this part is just for fun. So you can use Excel for your historical logs. For historical logs, for example, you want to um, chat down all the types of beers that you have. Beers, as in San Miguel beer, Tanduay Ice, like that. Places you have gone, expenses, that's history, whatever. You want to keep track of those, so you can put it on Excel and get back to them after a while if you want to check on them. Next is what? Sudoku puzzles. Sudoku puzzles is one of the math mathematicians. But when